This video is both a guided meditation for beginner meditators, as well as explanation of some of the benefits for meditating. The goal of the video is to show you how simple it can be to take your first steps meditating. Now simply sit down, make yourself comfortable, and let's spend the next few minutes together. Close your eyes and simply start counting your breath in and out. It is really that simple. Count your breath in and count your breath out. Notice your breath and bring your mind to the breath. Observe it going in and out of your body as you're counting it. Allow your attention to stay on the breath. And if your mind wanders, simply bring it back to counting the breath. And this is all we're going to do today. It's very, very simple. And as I talk, keep attending to your breath. Paying attention to the breath is at the very beginning of every meditation. You've already got this. You already took the first step. Keep going. When we worry, when we feel stress, our mind tends to drift away. It either goes to the past or goes towards the future. Instead of thinking about the current moment, we worry what may happen in the future. We worry how the difficult situation may unfold. We worry what someone else would do, think, or say. We go to the past and we ruminate about past events. We let childhood programming affect our present choices, and we let past hurts affect us. We overreact. And at the end, we do not feel balanced. We can train our mind to do the opposite. And we can dissolve all of this with just a few simple breaths. This is how we get started, and you just took the first step. Simply noticing your breath in and out brings our attention back to the body and back to the present. It is only in the present where we can respond and not react. We train our mind to stay in the present. We train our energy to center. We train ourselves to see the positive. You've already started this change by tuning to this video. You're doing great. If you feel distracted and not able to focus, simply start counting your breath in and out. This is the easiest way to focus on our breath. Wherever you are, this is perfect. Whatever your experience is, there's no way to do this meditation wrong. You only lose if you don't do it. We are approaching the end of our meditation today, and I wonder If you can devote a few minutes every day, just a few minutes, you may use this video, explore different videos, look at the description below for other beginning meditation videos, or simply stay within yourself and catch yourself, breathe in and breathe out. Catch yourself noticing your breath throughout the day. Just a few minutes every day. You did great.